Mm.
Look at the size of the pirate tank.
Oh, it's got drawing on it. Can you drive over here so I can film it?
Yeah, don't forget about us though. Don't forget about me.
Got you.
Where are you?
Keep going straight ahead. That's Indian.
It's probably hard to see because I'm behind the beam.
No, turn back the other way.
I'm rotating tank.
Hmm?
Rotating.
I can see that. It's pretty impressive.
Did you hear me, Mum?
I did, Wes. Right, show me how you go forward, Wes. Elliot.
What did you mean?
There's one, Wes.
Did I show you?
Yep. Can you go any more?
Yeah.
Very good.
Just hard to tell.
Do you need to be pushed?
Fun?
Do you need to be pushed?
No, I can do it. Mum, I got all the way up from the shed to here.
Well done.
I only go fast though if I need to. Mum, can you film me too?
Yeah, I am. Got you both in. Good boy, Indy. Oh, there he is.
Yeah, you just got to stick your toes out and then push it along.
Right, thanks. I've been meaning to get that. Well done.